Homes in Mandeville face a unique set of environmental conditions. With high humidity, frequent rain, and occasional storms, moisture resistance is a critical factor when choosing home upgrades. For homeowners considering window improvements, Bay Windows designed to handle moisture-prone conditions offer both style and long-term protection. These windows not only enhance the look of your home but also provide durability and comfort suited to Mandeville's climate. One of the biggest concerns in humid areas like Mandeville is moisture intrusion. Traditional or poorly constructed windows can allow water to seep into the frame, leading to issues such as mold, mildew, and wood rot. Moisture-resistant bay windows are specifically designed to prevent these problems. With advanced sealing systems and durable materials, they create a strong barrier that keeps water out, even during heavy rainfall. The materials used in moisture-resistant bay windows play a major role in their performance. Options like vinyl and fiberglass are particularly well suited for Mandeville homes because they do not absorb moisture. Unlike wood, which can swell or deteriorate over time, these materials maintain their shape and strength despite constant exposure to humidity. This durability ensures that your windows continue to function properly without frequent repairs or maintenance. Another key feature of moisture-resistant bay windows is their high-quality sealing and weatherproofing. Properly installed windows include tight seals, flashing, and insulation that prevent water from entering around the edges. In Mandeville, where sudden downpours are common, this level of protection is essential. A well-sealed bay window not only keeps moisture out but also helps maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Beyond protection, bay windows offer significant aesthetic and functional benefits. Their outward design creates additional interior space, making rooms feel larger and more open. In living rooms or bedrooms, this extra space can be used as a seating area, reading nook, or decorative feature. At the same time, the multi-panel design allows natural light to enter from different angles, brightening your home and creating a more inviting atmosphere. Ventilation is another advantage, especially when the side panels of the bay window are operable. In a humid climate, proper airflow is essential for reducing indoor moisture levels. Opening these panels allows fresh air to circulate, helping to prevent condensation and improve air quality. This combination of light and ventilation enhances overall comfort in your home. Energy efficiency is also an important consideration. Moisture-resistant bay windows are often designed with insulated glass and durable frames that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Mandeville, where both heat and humidity can affect comfort, these features help reduce the strain on your HVAC system. By keeping cool air inside and hot, humid air outside, they contribute to a more stable and energy-efficient home. Another benefit is long-term reliability. Windows that are not designed for humid conditions may require frequent repairs or replacements due to damage caused by moisture. Investing in moisture-resistant bay windows reduces these risks, providing a solution that lasts for years. This durability not only saves money over time but also ensures your home remains protected against the elements. Curb appeal is another area where bay windows make a difference. Their distinctive shape adds architectural interest and enhances the overall look of your home. In Mandeville neighborhoods, where exterior appearance is an important factor, this upgrade can make your property stand out while still blending with its surroundings. Professional installation is essential to maximize these benefits. Because bay windows extend outward, they require proper structural support and precise fitting. Experienced installers ensure that the window is securely positioned, sealed correctly, and integrated with your home's exterior. This attention to detail prevents moisture issues and ensures long-lasting performance. Maintenance is also simplified with moisture-resistant materials. Unlike traditional windows that may require regular sealing or refinishing, modern bay windows are designed for easy care. Routine cleaning is usually enough to keep them looking and functioning like new. In the end, Moisture-resistant bay windows are an ideal solution for Mandeville weather conditions. They provide the protection needed to handle humidity and rain while offering the beauty and functionality that homeowners want. By choosing the right materials and ensuring proper installation, you can enjoy a window upgrade that enhances your home's comfort, durability, and style for years to come.